So now we're going to take a look at the announcement tool in Yamdu, and this is very important because it allows you to send announcement to groups, messages which immediately pop up on the dashboard of all users addressed and get pushed through via email as we saw in the notification settings. So you can use an announcement for, in relation to important clarifications, maybe a change in the time on the call sheet, or as an invitation to a wrap party or some sort of informal meeting. So when we click here on create a new announcement, we must create a title. So let's say we're finished shooting and we're having a wrap party. We can write that in the title. And then we can say party tomorrow at 2, for example. Okay, so then we need to choose the groups that will be invited to this and the people who will get this announcement pushed to their dashboard. So we need to click here and we can see all of the user groups. So for this, it's a wrap party. I could choose administrators or production, but I'm going to choose all, everyone involved with the project, with the production. So I click all here. And I can pin this announcement to the top in the project dashboard. So this will be pinned to the top of the project dashboard for everyone this announcement will be sent to, which is all users. If I don't choose to do this, I can also set an expiration date for this announcement. But in this case, I'm just going to pin it to the dashboard and click create. And now if we go back to our dashboard, we can see that the wrap party has been announced. It's stuck here and everyone will have received an email with this information too. So that's how to organize an announcement in Yamdu. I hope you have enjoyed this tutorial. Goodbye.